Verifying your account on Xfinity Mobile is an important step to ensure the security and accessibility of your services. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the Xfinity Mobile app or website. Open the Xfinity Mobile app on your mobile device or visit the Xfinity Mobile website on your computer. Make sure you have your account credentials ready for a login. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section within the app or website. This is where you can manage your account information and verification settings. Step 4. Select verification options. Look for the option to verify your account. This may include verifying your phone number or email address. Choose the method you prefer and follow the prompts provided. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. This may involve entering a code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message. After completing these steps, your account will be successfully verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xfinity Mobile customer support for assistance.